your cheek. I really hope we don't hit a bump. And I just like, this is good for the Coachella vibes. So you'll just be brown. I'll fix your non-tan.
Can you hold it for 24 minutes, or do you need to go now?
No, I need to go to the bathroom.
Right.
Wait, really? We're so close. You guys.
We did stop to go to the bathroom, and while they're out of the car, I figured I'd show you. I'm sort of confused. I thought we were going to Palm Springs, but then Katie packed that, and it feels like we're going on a couple-week European vacation. So I'm not sure where we're gonna end up, but I think we're going to Palm Springs. I mean, look at everything we have back here. Oh my God. That's a makeup case. Whoa. Whoa.
Alright, so we made it into the desert and we're pulling up to this like crazy, kind of secret, totally off the beaten path location to check out an Adidas event that we got invited to, and look at where we're going.
Interesting.
On the
Some
list?
kind, yeah.
Picking up bracelets?
Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Thanks.
Cool. Ooh, look at that Adidas cube.
Yeah,
cool.
that's cool.
Awesome. I think this is part of my my favorite part of Coachella stuff is like, it's so weird and random and you have no idea what to expect when you show up somewhere. It could be anything.
I'm a big fan of good brand activations, and I can already tell this is gonna be one. So there's this back there. Looks like a shop of some kind, and then there's looks like a military operation over here. Hey, absolutely. Thanks.
Thank you.
Whenever I see you, I just say I gotta leave soon, yeah. Whenever I see you, I just say I gotta leave soon.
By the way, I've become a big fan of charcoal water. I don't know why really, but I really like it, so I'll take one of those. Well, we made it.
So we just are pulling up to the house. We're gonna unpack all our gear and head out, so we'll take you guys inside. So cute. I will be hanging out there. It'd be a good workout spot right there. Such a cute little area. All right, so if you guys know, we are doing a live workout. It would have been last Saturday by the time this vlog is up, but this is where it's happening. Such a cute spot. That is like a key in finding somewhere to stay, is making sure you have a good area to work out outside so you enjoy it and get a little tan at the same time. It's like one-legged door opening here. Ooh, I like it already. Little Maryland. All right, we got a lot of unpacking to do real fast and then tons of parties to get to. I don't know how we're gonna do them all in one day, but we're gonna try. All right, so whenever we travel, if we can drive, I'm super excited because that means I can bring all of my snacks to make sure we have plenty of healthy fats and proteins and things that are gonna fuel our body, because we're gonna be going out to parties and doing all sorts of stuff. I wanna make sure that we at least have food in our bodies before we do that. So this is what I brought. I'll show you guys a little bit to help us stay on track this weekend. I got all the veggies, celery, cucumber, some peppers. I have hummus, avocado. I brought some little mama chia squeezes. We have nuts, my vital proteins, yes, for my coffee in the morning, some booch, turkey jerky and sticks, peanut butter, limes, those are mostly for mixing into drink. Oranges, dried fruit, some liquid IV, all the like healthy, those are my air quote healthy chips. Grain-free chips and crackers, all the good stuff. Some Ezekiel sprouted grain bread. I even brought my charcoal powder to do some smoothies and drinks to help detox. We got the shams, that's like our little treat. I brought some bananas. And then down here, the vodka and Casamigos tequila, which is my absolute fave. And honestly, the key if you're gonna be drinking at all, but especially like in excess on a weekend away, or on vacation, is to keep it clear and keep it clean. So the tequilas and vodkas, those clear liquids, way less sugar, just use soda water and lime, and that way you can enjoy more, get rid of those hangovers. Like, don't drink too much, make sure you drink plenty of water, but they're gonna help you really keep those calories a lot lower.
Ashley's here.
Hello.
Yeah. And Kristen's here. Oh wait, no makeup. Oh my gosh.
Get ready.
You got makeup on, you're fine. And Sven, no, Sven doesn't have makeup. I can't show you. All the way from Canada to Palm Springs. And Allie, of course.
We were silent over breakfast. Only words that leave your mouth. Oh, I think we need to end this. You know it's better for us. And sometimes I forget that the feeling doesn't go. And it's hard not to regret when you hurt it all alone. Whenever I see you, I just say I gotta leave soon, yeah. Whenever I see you, I just say I gotta leave soon.
Bounce, 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 bounce. I was talking to my mama today about chicken grits. Bounce, bounce. Alright, do it.
And for those who've heard it, I hope you guys got to know me a little bit better than I know myself.
And it's hard not to regret when you hurt it all. Whenever I see you.
All right, so we are getting ready to do a live workout on Instagram. Everyone's just kind of starting to wake up and I was getting ready, and I want to show you guys a couple of things I do every morning to get ready. First thing to start my day. So obviously I take my thyroid medication. I have those with me here. Yeah. My 2 different pills that I take. So if you guys haven't seen my thyroid vlogs, I will link them. Make sure you go check them out. I have 2 different ones kind of sharing what I eat and what I do to help my body stay on track and have energy. The second thing is I spray myself with rose water. Where is it? This guy. So rose water and glycerin is really good hydration, moisturizer. This is like pretty cheap. You can find it on Amazon. I'll put the link below for you also. And you can totally just like spray it on my body, and especially being in the desert when I'm really, really dry, it definitely helps to bring a little bit of moisture back in. Then I've been using the Fresh Rose Hydration, Deep Hydration, all over my face. And I usually will use a little oil, but I forgot it. And when I do the oil, then I'll use my little jade roller. So I was just doing it with my moisturizer today. It just feels so good on your jaw and like those neck muscles. It's supposed to help with like anti-aging. I don't know if it actually does, but it feels good, so that's all that matters. And then I've actually been using this Native deodorant. It's paraben-free and aluminum-free, so you don't get the antiperspirant from like other deodorants, but it's weird. I feel like since I've been using it, I haven't actually been sweating as much, which is good, or maybe it's just the weather. But it's like coconut oil, different oils, beeswax, and it's all natural. It's made in San Francisco, which is cool. This one is fir and lemon, and it just smells like fresh and earthy. But I have to tell you, besides the natural deodorant that I make, which if you guys haven't seen that, I'll put the recipe link below. I've tried so many other natural deodorants, and none of them really work. There's a few that I really liked at first, but after a few weeks, I don't know if your body adjusts. This is one of the first ones that actually really, really has worked. I don't smell, I don't feel like I get like sticky or like any of that grossness. So besides the one I make, this is like my #1 Native. They have a bunch of different scents. So I'll link this below for you guys too to check it out. It is really awesome, and you can travel with it, which is the hard thing about the one you make at home. So check it out for sure. I'll put the link for you guys. All right, so that's basically all I'm gonna do before we do the workout. I'll have more of a routine after we're done to get ready to go out to all the parties for Coachella. But for now, that is it. And if you missed the live workout, we'll definitely be doing more, but I wanna know like what days and times are best for you guys. So comment below and tell me what days and times are best for you to join in on live workouts so we can make sure that we hit great times for you. Do you want me to grab?
We are doing a live workout this morning on the LSF Instagram. So we're gonna do it out by the pool. Pretty nice setup out here. So we just have everything, a couple of mats set up over here. So like Katie was saying, make sure you guys comment below so you let us know what time is good to do live workouts like this, because not everyone can make it every time, but if you can, that's even better.
Good morning, happy Saturday, you guys. I am so excited. We are here in Palm Springs for Coachella Weekend 1.
When you hurt it all,
So live workout's done, and that means it's time for breakfast.
Oh my gosh.
But live workout was really good. That was
It
fun.
was so fun. We had what, like 16,000 people?
Yeah, almost 17,000 people working out.
That's
That was
so
really
amazing.
good.
At one time, across the world, which I think is the coolest thing about Instagram and just being able to be live, right? Like,
Yeah.
we don't have to be somewhere with that's a
So you
lot of
all
fun
can
too.
join us while we're here at the
Yay.
pool and doing a little
So
workout.
awesome. Making some coffee with breakfast. I got my Vital Proteins collagen creamer. These are like the little to-go packs, you guys. They're everything. I love them. So I travel with them everywhere we go. Coffee, we have eggs, avocado, sprouted grain toast. So I'm trying to stay on LSF meal plan as closely as possible. Obviously when we're out and about, it's a little bit harder at parties, but I think a lot of people do too that's so not okay is they're like, they know they're gonna be going out and drinking and probably eating bad stuff, so then they don't eat. That is the worst thing you can do. The better option is to fuel your body, like get all the food in, so you know you have like protein things to absorb it, the healthy fats to help balance it so that when you are drinking alcohol, you don't get crazy.
Well, look how many eggs we got going. Lots of eggs.
All right, so we finished the workout, showered up, got ready. I always do my makeup before I get dressed or before I do my hair, just so everything's off my face and get my makeup done. You guys have seen some of my makeup routines. I'll show you another one. Maybe we'll do like a new summer, like spring, summer makeup routine just on its own sometime. But makeup is basically done except for my lip. And my hair I got to blow out yesterday. You guys saw it was very curly yesterday. It's kind of falling out, which I like. It's a little bit looser now. And I've been using like for a long time, my hair is so dry, you guys know this, the leave-in, it's a 10 leave-in conditioner. So I do a spray and put that in like when I go to brush my hair out. Where's my brush? This thing, if you guys do not have a wet brush, is the best thing ever. Like it makes brushing your hair, especially if you have dry, tangly hair like me, so easy. So brush it out when it's wet, style it, whatever. So now it's from like a little bit sweaty from working out. I got a little wet from the shower. So I did just like, while it was in a pin, I did a little blow dry on it to get the ends and the base of it dry again. And now we kind of just have to see what's happening with it. So I want it less curly, which is good. It's kind of starting to fall a little bit. I think I'm gonna take the straightener just a little bit to smooth out some of the edges. And then I'm using the It's a 10 finishing spray, which is like a flexible, soft hairspray. They do have travel size stuff too, but I like when we take cars because I can bring like, woo, the big daddies with me. I'm really excited I got to partner with It's a 10 for Coachella weekend because they are taking care of me and all my girls' hair, which is helpful because in the desert, you never know what's gonna happen. You're not used to the elements, so thank you. Like this guy, but it's nice. I don't know if you can see how light it is, but it's super light. Smells really good. And that way I still have like movability to my hair. I can play with it. It's not like crunchy like some finishing sprays or hairsprays do. So I'm just gonna go over, smooth the top a little here. Not too much. I like this. This is a really nice straightener too because you can adjust the heat on it. You can go like wherever you want to be. I just want it like hot and fast just to smooth the top layer. And then, like seriously guys, I'm barely doing anything. I just want any like weird kinks from working out of the top so that it looks nice and presentable. And after this, we're heading to the Dole party, which I'm so excited about. You can see like my Chiquita banana outfit happening here. Okay, so the finishing spray. This is how I keep volume because I have a lot of flatness in the top of my hair. So I go upside down, do a little of the finishing spray on the base. This is my trick too. It seems kind of crazy and you're gonna have to smooth it out in a second, but that's why it's nice to have like a really flexible one like this. I grab like the bottom half of my hair and separate it from the top, shake it a little. And it's like safe if you have colored hair, which a lot of hairsprays are not. And then I grab my hand and like go to the base of my head. It's like real crazy. And just kind of like crunch it till you get a little bit of lift and volume there. Flip it. Use my hands to help re-smooth it out. Finishing spray for just like my bangs because I have a crazy cowlick here that likes to go like shh. So just a little extra finishing spray there so that it'll stay in place. And again, I like it because you can kind of mold it where you want it to go and what you want it to do. Smooth out those flyaways, poof up the top. I feel like we're pretty good to go. Put a lip on and Dole party it is.
But it's all good, and it's a beautiful day, just amazing here.
This is why I love Palm Springs, because you can be by a pool, having cocktails, everybody else is just like warm and amazing.
This is why we do Nochella, not Coachella, so.
I don't want to be in the dusty desert, I want to be poolside. This is perfect.
And we are going down towards Coachella. So we were up in Palm Springs. It's about 40 minutes down to Coachella, so it's a little bit of a drive.
A trek.
But I think it's gonna be worth it because we're gonna go check out the
Puma party.
Puma Fenty party.
I'm excited.
Katie wants to hang out with Rihanna.
Yeah, Bad Girl Riri's supposed to be there, and it's Puma, so obviously I feel like there's gonna be like really cool stuff happening. Fingers crossed.
All right. Oh yeah, Katie, take that. All right, so here's the deal. Because this party, I don't want you to know where it's at. You gotta go to one spot, take a shuttle, which is here, and then you're there.
I really hope Bad Girl Riri's still there. I just want to like sing a little Ella L-A-A with her.
I like what he's doing. Directions.
Keep it going.
Wait, which way? Okay, it's that way. I got it. Shuttle time. Wow. There's some little dune buggies over here. We are back. That party was awesome. We
It was
got
really
to
fun.
see Rihanna for a minute.
Like from like 12 feet away.
I would have loved to see a performance, but
I know, she like came in and then left. That's okay, she was there, that was fun.
so it was great. All the parties were awesome. We are back at the house now, and we're going to have a good old-fashioned pizza
Pool
party.
party. Oh, pizza.
Oh,
Pizza
sorry, I'm
pool
excited
party.
about pizza.
I was like, pool party.
It's cauliflower crust.
Cauliflower crust. It's awesome when you can find a place that actually has like healthier alternatives. So again, you can get like the cauliflower crust with some veggies and protein on it, and you're good to go.
But we are gonna go get in the pool now. It is about 85 degrees outside still. It is beautiful. So it's just gonna be pool for the rest of the night, and then we are heading back home. So it'll be week, what of the challenge? 3?
Week 3 of the Spring Slim Down Challenge, you guys. You've got this.
You're in it, doing it.
It's so much fun. I'm so proud of you. So keep going strong. We're gonna see you on that hashtag. Make sure you're hashtagging your photos. Hashtag LSF Spring Slim Down.
And Katie's gonna jump on this pineapple floaty now.